She's your queen to be, a queen to be forever, a queen who'll do whatever His Highness desires.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Layefa and I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So if this is your first time here, you might not notice, but I'm hoping that my old subscribers will be able to tell a difference with my makeup today. If you didn't guess already, I didn't do my makeup myself. I did another makeup artist does my makeup video or challenge with my amazing friend Ada. So I'm going to leave a link in my description box down below on that video so you guys can see it. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while and I just felt, oh, why waste this gorgeous makeup? Why not just do this video? I already had everything that I wanted to use to do the video ready, but I just haven't had the time. So I'm just killing two birds with one stone. So we all grew up watching Coming to America, obviously, and that gorgeous princess. Like, I will never forget how beautiful she looked when she stepped out with the hair, her outfit, everything. Oh my god. So today I decided to recreate that look. So the wig I'm going to be using for today's video I got from Alipearl. They sent it to me a few months ago and I've already made a video on my channel featuring the hair on a client transformation video. I'm going to also leave that in the description box down below. So I've had the hair for a couple months now, so I decided to do another video with the hair to show you guys how awesome the hair still looks now, you know. So I'm ready for this video. Like, I made the top. Like, let me show you guys the picture of the princess. So if you guys don't remember or if you haven't seen Coming to America, this is what she looks like. She looked stunning. God, look at that. She looks so regal. This is one of my favorite princess looks ever. So I went ahead to get myself a top that was similar to her. Well, hers is a dress and mine is a top. So my amazing friend, just realized that I love that word, amazing. My friend Bora George, you guys have already heard me mention her on this channel. She's a designer, amazing designer. You guys should definitely contact her for all your clothing needs. Yeah, so she made this top for me. I showed her a picture of the dress. I wanted something that looked like it, so this is what she came up with, and I got myself gold earrings. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into the video and show you guys how I achieved the hairstyle. So enjoy. So I'm going to start off by putting my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to use hair gel. You can use any gel, you can use pretty much any gel. So this is an eco styling gel. I'm just going to take a huge chunk of this. You guys can see my hair is already up. I've been wearing this hairstyle for a couple of days now. I don't know, I just love any hairstyle that goes up and shows off my face. I feel like it suits me better. Like, any hair pulled away from my face, I feel like it fits me a lot better. I'm feeling like a princess, guys. So I'm just putting a generous amount of this onto my hair. Guys, I'm losing my edges. I don't know who remembers the very first hair tutorial I ever did on my channel, where I did different hairstyles with my natural hair. My hair was popping in that video. God, now I don't know, since I started this wig life, I don't take care of my natural hair anymore. My natural hair is suffering, guys. Like, it's actually suffering. Next, I'm going to take a shoe brush. I think that's what it's called, yeah. I'm going to take a shoe brush and brush this so it's smooth and laying down flat. Then I'm going to take a hair ruffle. These are the normal black small hair ruffles, and I'm going to pack my hair upwards. You want to make sure that the hair is on top of your head, so I'm going to pack it up in a bun like so, wrap it around like so. So next I'm going to take the wig. Like I said earlier, the hair is from ALIPEARLHAIR. It's their loose deep wave hair. So I'm just going to take the elastic that I attached to the wig, and I'm going to wrap it around my hair like so. Then I'm going to twist it around like this. If you watched my Dubai vlog, I also did this hairstyle when I was there. The clip where I wore the black and white two-piece set. This is the hairstyle I was wearing, the exact hairstyle. I remember when I wore that outfit and put it on my Instagram, a lot of people were asking for a tutorial on that hairstyle. So here it is. I actually did a tutorial when I wore that two-piece set. But what happened to it? I think the clips from the video didn't turn out great. They were blurry because I didn't travel with my full setup, so I had to remake the video. And then I now just saw this picture and I was like, oh, it would be so nice to recreate. So here we are. So right now I'm just taking a bit of the hair and I'm going to take this and wrap it around. So I'll just take one bobby pin and pin this in like so. So I'm going to take my hairbrush and brush it out because I like it really big. You can see that the picture, the princess's hair was really huge. You can pour water on it or leave-in conditioner and make it defined if you want to. But the idea of this hair is for it to look really big and really huge. I'm not done yet, guys, hold on. So in the picture she had gold thread, I don't know what I'll call it, thread, but gold thingy though, wrapped around her hair. Yeah, so I'm going to take these gold bands that usually come with weaves when you get them. So now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to go into my edges. I like to use a little spoolie to do my edges as opposed to a toothbrush. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Very easy, very simple, very quick to do. I did this hairstyle in less than 15 minutes. Like it's easy. It's the most easiest hairstyle ever. I even wore this hairstyle on the day I did my studio opening. So for you guys that don't know, I finally opened my makeup studio and it has been an amazing week so far in my new office. It's been really amazing. So yes guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave a link in my description box down below on where and how you can purchase this Alipearl hair that I've been rocking for a few months now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had fun filming it. Like, it was bringing memories from coming to America. Like when I was growing up, I used to love that movie, and the scene where this princess Imani came out was one of my favorite scenes of the whole movie. It was just hilarious. The whole back like a duck. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Let me not ramble on. So like I said before, if you want to see a tutorial on how my friend Ada did this makeup look I have on, I'm going to leave a link in my description box down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. Please drop a comment for me, like this video. So yeah guys, I think that's the end of this video. I love you guys so much, so much. Thank you all for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.